10 ways to say I don't care. Each example will be spoken 3 times by different voices using different tones. Number 1.
I don't have time for this.
I don't have time for this.
I don't have time for this.
Number 2.
I don't like getting involved in other people's business.
I don't like getting involved in other people's business.
I don't like getting involved in other people's business.
Number 3.
Sorry, I'm not interested in this.
Sorry, I'm not interested in this.
Sorry, I'm not interested in this.
Number 4.
Sorry, I couldn't care less.
Sorry, I couldn't care less.
Sorry, I couldn't care less.
Number 5.
This does not concern me.
This does not concern me.
This does not concern me.
Number 6.
Sorry, I really don't care.
Sorry, I really don't care. Sorry, I really don't care.
Number 7.
This doesn't make a difference to me. This doesn't make a difference to me.
This doesn't make a difference to me.
Number 8.
I would rather not get involved.
I would rather not get involved.
I would rather not get involved.
Number 9.
Sorry, this is not worth my time.
Sorry, this is not worth my time.
Sorry, this is not worth my time.
Number 10.
This is not my business.
This is not my business.
This is not my business.
Do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.